Hello friends, this is Vilas Patil here. Welcome to my tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to add a simple drop-down list. While doing the data entry in Excel sheet, you need to keep selecting some kind of data frequently. Consider here we are collecting the name, mobile number as well as a designation. So designation can be duplicate for other person also. So if we want to keep selecting multiple same designation for different peoples, so instead of typing there, what we can do, we can have one drop down list. Just I'll select this one, and here I'll make it as a post. Press enter, and now if we hide this also, it is okay. Now I will select this entire column and click on data validation. Now here we'll select a date list, and this should be equal to post. Okay, or else we can select this list also here and press enter. Okay, this is taking post plus post already added, so I will do this, and this can be post only. Yeah, okay, good to go. Now just see here, after selecting this name, if we add a name, mobile number, and if you want to add the designation like a clerk, okay, ABC is also a clerk. Okay, this is the principal, this is also accountant, like this. Here we can reduce the effort of editing or typing or adding continuously. We can have one drop down list for frequently adding type of data here. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and keep watching, keep learning and keep growing.